Once you replace negative thoughts with positive ones, you'll start having positive results. And that is the thought for today. Welcome to 7 Good Minutes. I'm Clyde Lee Dennis. Thanks for joining me for what I believe will be 7 of the most enriching minutes of your day. In today's episode of 7 Good Minutes, we talk about the role of positivity in personal resilience. Enjoy. Resilience isn't just about bouncing back. It's about moving forward stronger than before. Think of it as a muscle that grows with exercise. Every challenge you face is an opportunity to strengthen this muscle. The key? A positive mindset. By focusing on positive outcomes and maintaining a hopeful outlook, you engage your mind and body in a way that fosters resilience. You build a buffer against stress and develop a habit of seeking solutions rather than dwelling on problems. Building a positive mindset starts with your thoughts. Each day presents a new opportunity to feed your mind positive thoughts and reject the negative ones. Begin by acknowledging your feelings, whatever they may be, and then gently guide your thoughts towards hopeful and optimistic scenarios. Practice gratitude by noting things you are thankful for daily. These can be as simple as a sunny day or a good cup of coffee. This habit shifts your focus from what's missing or wrong to what's present and right, fueling your resilience with positivity. To integrate positivity into your daily routine, set small, achievable goals that lead to positive outcomes. Whether it's a 5-minute meditation, reading a motivational quote, or helping someone, these actions accumulate to significantly impact your well-being. Surround yourself with positive influences, people who uplift you, and environments that inspire tranquility and joy. Remember, positivity is contagious. Share your journey with others to multiply its impact. Recovering from setbacks is never easy, but maintaining a positive outlook can significantly influence your ability to bounce back. When faced with challenges, remind yourself of past successes where you've overcome obstacles. Use these memories as a foundation to build confidence in your capacity to navigate current difficulties. Encourage yourself with positive affirmations that reinforce your strength and resilience. Say to yourself, I am capable, I am strong, and I can get through this, believing in each word. Finally, sustain your positivity by regularly engaging in self-care practices that nurture your body and soul. Allocate time for activities that relax and recharge you, such as yoga, long walks, or creative pursuits. Connect with supportive communities that share your values and aspirations. By prioritizing self-care and seeking supportive relationships, you ensure that your positivity reservoir remains full, ready to empower you through future challenges. With each of these steps, you're not just surviving, you're thriving by turning every challenge into a stepping stone for growth. Embrace this journey with a positive spirit and watch as you transform challenges into powerful moments of victory. That does it for today's episode of 7 Good Minutes. Please take a moment to rate and review the show on the platform you're listening on. Until next time, let's be civil to one another out there. Thanks for listening.